So now I'm going to teach you how to make blueberries. Okay, so they look like real blueberries. I'm going to show you how to make. So I'm going to make just one of it. Like they are all individual ones wired, and they're all bunched together, and they come in handy when we have to kind of add some filler flowers onto the wedding cakes or cakes where we are going to use flowers. So I'll just make one. So you guys will make about say 10 to 15 of them, and then we could just bunch them together whenever we need to use them on the cake or also as part of this lesson. Okay, so to start with, I'm just going to use a smaller quantity, like the size of the blueberries that we're just going to make. Knead it quite well. Okay, so half this ball, and then I'm using a 26G wire. I'm going to make a J hook. Okay, and you just need the glue. I'm going to dip it into the glue just a little bit and get this gum paste poked in, and obviously there will be the hole that is created, and we need to pinch that. And then keep twisting it so it just kind of gets sealed well. So that will remain there. And make sure the top is rounded and the wire is also nicely in. The center of the wire should be nicely inside. So and then for the top of the blueberries, you can see it's a kind of pinched. There are 4 sides, so I just used a tweezer like this and went ahead to pinch them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So similarly, I'm just going to hold, so that will be the top. So I'm just going to pinch it once, also to 4 or even 5. So once you make them, and then just allow it to dry for about an hour or so, and once it just dries out completely, then we could just dust them to get the real blueberries color. So I'm just going to now dust the berries. I have some black and then some royal blue color dust as well. I'm just going to mix up the both. And then you have this blueberries color. It's going to start dusting. Okay, so once this is done, I just want to highlight a bit with white as well. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the white dust. Otherwise, it's going to look a bit plasticky. So I'm just going to dust upon some white. It's not everywhere, but just in a few places to highlight. Okay, so we have the blueberries made. They just, if you're going to do the simple berries, they just have one dot in the middle. But these are just the ones that you could just have the lip, the top made a bit differently. So you have a kind of variation for the blueberries. And obviously, you could make this in red color as well, doesn't matter, even orange color doesn't matter. This is just the technique. I'm calling it blueberry, and I'm just dusting it with the color of the blueberries, but you could make it in any color that will complement your cake as well. So with this, we've come to the end of blueberries, but see you in the next lesson.